I'm Mara, welcome to my Kitchen Jazz cooking video channel. Today I am making a very quick version of a strawberry jam. All you need is fresh strawberries in season, some sugar and some lemon juice and a microwave. So, beautiful strawberries, they've all been washed. Hull, as in take off the green stalks, and we need 200 grams, and then just roughly chopped. We want some texture to this jam. It's not going to be, you know, a sort of liquidy, runny. We want some texture. There we go, just a rough chop. And into the bowl. A heat-proof bowl. This is a Pyrex bowl, one that you can put into the microwave. And please note that I have chosen a higher one because we're going to cook it uncovered and you don't want anything boiling over. That in the microwave on high, 1 minute. $40, $39, $38. So it has released some of its juices. Stir. Add 160 grams of caster sugar. And I use caster sugar because it is finer and it will dissolve quicker. Stirring it through. And 1 more minute in the microwave. I think I might have a glass of wine.
It's no time.
Let's see. Nice little Pinot Gris. Oh, microwave. It's quite hot now. Stir and make sure that all the sugar is dissolved. Smells like strawberries. Add 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Stir, stir, stir. That is going in the microwave for 2 minutes, uncovered. Now I can have it. I love cooking with wine. Sometimes I add food. Ah, finally I can have, what? Stay there. Bowl can be hot. Sugar reaches a very high temperature. Now that, it doesn't look like much, but when that cools down, it will be a really delicious, thinner style jam. Perfect for pancakes, for drizzling on cake with yogurt. Absolutely divine. We've got, see all these lovely textures of strawberry, and they've just gone this lovely translucent texture, and they'll be thickening the jam. So we'll let that cool, we'll pop it in the fridge, and then I'll show you the finished result. Here's some I made a couple of days ago. You can see the consistency here. It's just got a lovely looseness to it and it's beautiful for pancakes, spreading on cakes. Look at the shine, they're like jewels. It's absolutely gorgeous. If you want to make a strawberry sauce, a tablespoon of this jam into a bowl, about 50 grams of fresh strawberries, blitz it, and you have a lovely fresh strawberry sauce for breakfasts or for ice cream or anything you like. Enjoy! Finally, I got myself out of the jam.
Oh dear.